Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here today, 235 Wingletye Lane, in the heart of Hornchurch, within an excellent school catchment area, ample off-street parking as you can see, outer building, underfloor heating throughout, the list goes on. I'm so excited to show you. I think it's time we take a look. Follow me. 3 spacious double bedrooms, ensuite to master bedroom, including walk-in wardrobe and office space, shutter blinds throughout, underfloor heating throughout, and the open plan kitchen lounge diner is by far the most attractive room in the property. You're about to see why this is my most favourite part of the property. Also, utility area, outer building, and well manicured and looked after rear garden. As you can see, the internal finish throughout is absolutely superb. This unique end of terrace plot has lots of potential to extend, subject to planning permission. I'm so excited for you to come and take a look. Please don't hesitate to contact our Hornchurch office. I'm Bradley Bayliss, we're Balgors. We look forward to seeing you soon.